morning to them, baby. Good morning, shots. Good morning, everybody. Say good morning, everybody, baby. Ngayon ay nagde-deliver yung aming baby. Say good morning, everyone. How's my baby today? My baby is a good girl today because she let us sleep. For the first time, there's no crankiness going on. Hello, baby. May kwento tayo sa kanila, baby, no? Last night, say, what happened last night, baby? Last night, my phone was broke. My daddy broke my mommy's phone. So, wala na tayong phone ng matino. Lahat na to. Yung isa may matrix, yung isa nabasag yung screen, wala na. Na-knock out na, baby, no? Wala na tuloy tayong upload. And andun lahat na ng videos ko, lahat ng mga pictures ko sa kanya, nandoon lahat sa cellphone. Sana ma-revive pa yung cellphone ko. Kasi nasira yung screen. Kasi minsan pag nag-aayos pa naman sila ng cellphone, lahat ng mga photos nawawala. So sana ma-revive natin lahat ng pictures natin doon, baby, no? And also, when you were inside my belly, tago ko pa yung mga pictures natin doon. Lahat ng pictures ko na buntis ako nandoon lahat. Meron pa naman ako ipaprint doon, papadrawing. Ay, sana ma-revive yung mga pictures sa mga videos. Wala na tayong ma-upload kasi yung mga videos natin nandoon sa sa kabilang cellphone. Dahil nga si daddy mo magaling, nabasa yung cellphone at nasira. Anyways, wala tayong magawa dahil nangyari na. Mag-wait na lang tayo ng kailan tayo makakabili ng baby, bago cellphone. Bibilhan mo ako, baby. Yan na. Crankiness na siya kasi nagde-deliver siya ngayon. Say hi to them na lang, baby. This is me now. I'm 1 month old and 6 days. 6 days if I'm not mistaken. Say hi, everybody. I'm getting older na. She's growing up. My little one. Diba, baby? My little princess. My princess Ayana. Are you done, baby? Naamoy ko na. Are you done? Let's clean up. Meron siya sa mood. Sige na. Okay.